Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our PHP practical. Today we are going to deal with practical of PHP to calculate electricity bill by accepting the limits. Okay, now this is a new practical for you, a practical of PHP which will going to calculate your electricity bill based on the units. Whatever unit has been provided to you, you can calculate your electricity bill by accepting the limit. You can give your limit as per your requirement. For example, your for first 100 unit rupees 4 is given. That means if you are using 98 unit, you will be charged rupees 4 as per rupees 4, okay, per unit. For next 100 unit, that means you are above 100, then you will be charged rupees 5 per unit. For next all units after that, you will be charged rupees 6 per unit. Understood this? Okay, let us start with this. First, we have given the file name as index.html. okay, first starting with our PHP tag doctype HTML. We know we use doctype HTML to insert a PHP file. Then head for inserting heading section, title inside your head section, that is calculate electricity bill. Okay, slash title slash head, this calculate electricity bill will be displaying on your web page on the heading side. Then your PHP tag starts over here. After this, you are going to pass $result_str. This is a variable. You are passing a variable to store your function and statements. Which function? I will show you. Result_str is a variable you are storing. Result is equals to single comma complete. Okay, this will be storing your result value. If is set $_post, that means you are going to submit your units and unit submit over there. Then units is equals to $_post. In this unit you are going to store your post, whatever submitted current unit will be there, they will be storing in this units over here. If empty units, that means you are checking your condition. If your no unit will be there, result will be like you are storing your value into results. Calculate_bill units. Okay, what will be the units? Result_str, that means it's going to store your total amount of units. Result_str string conversion over here, you use total amount of units. Whatever unit you have given, that will be calculated. Now this total and amount of is your text message will be showing on a display. Next, this is your dot operator used for concatenation. Then after this, $unit is your variable which you have stored over here values, okay, which is being using by the user. Then dash is given over here. You can see after unit again concatenation operator has been used. Then in a single inverted comma a dash is been used, and you have given again a dot operator, that is your concatenation operator, and result will be displayed over here. Okay, now we have passed a function, that is calculate bill. Whatever calculate bill units you have used over here, this has been used inside your function. Now we are going to see how we have created a function. Let us see the function. Calculate_bill is your function name. First you have declared a function keyword, then calculate_bill is your function name. $unit is your argument inside your calculate bill, which will be using as a variable. Here every time we have used, you can see over here also units. Okay, this is a function variable. Okay, calculate_bill is a function name, then units is your argument. Inside this you have written, you have created unit underscore cost underscore first. That means in a first 100 mode, you are passing is equal fourth value, sorry, you are passing a rupees 4. So you have written unit underscore cost underscore first is equal to 4. Then unit underscore cost underscore second is equal to 5 for second unit, and unit underscore cost underscore third is equal to 6 for your last above 100. If now you are going to check your conditions, if unit under less than equals to 100, if your bill is unit has been given 100, then your bill will be is equals to unit into unit underscore first. That means it will be multiplied by your first way, unit underscore cost underscore first. That means 4, it will be multiplied by 4 whatever unit has been put over there, or whatever unit has been given by the user. Okay, whatever unit has been given. Else if units is greater than 100 and less than 200, less than equal to 200, that means if your unit the range is between 100, above 100 and below 200 or equal to 200, then you are setting a temporary file equal to temp 100 into unit underscore cost underscore 4. That means you are multiplying it by 100 and by unit into cost underscore 4. That means the first 4 unit has been used, 100 into 4 has been using it, and the remaining unit bill will be according to your remaining amount. It is a calculation of electricity bill. Okay, just a calculation. Remaining unit is equal to units minus 100. You are going to minus the 100. Then total bill will be temp plus remaining unit into unit underscore cost underscore second. That means your calculation will be like your first calculating your first 100 bill, like temp is equal to 100 into unit cost underscore first. Then your remaining bill, whatever your remaining bill will be like units, whatever unit has been put, and minus 100. Then your actual bill will be calculated like temp, whatever your temp value you have got over there, over here. Then temp plus your remaining unit, whatever your remaining unit is, then multiply by unit underscore cost underscore second, whatever your multiplication done by 5 over here. You have seen this. Okay, underscore this. Else temp is equal to 100 into 4. First we have to calculate 100 into 4 unit, then plus 100 into unit underscore cost into underscore second. That means your 100 whatever your value has been given into unit underscore cost underscore second, that value, then plus 100 into unit cost third, whatever third value has been given, you have to calculate this also. Then remaining unit will be like units minus 200, whatever it will be, that is will be minus. Then final bill will be temp plus remaining unit. It is very easy. Okay, return. Now number underscore format, whatever it may be, you have to calculate it. Numbers underscore format, it will be like float, whatever it may be the floating point number also. So you have written float value, then bill, comma 2, comma dot, comma single comma open and complete, and variable complete. So here your PHP tags completed over here. Now we start with body tag to insert a form. Let us see what is the form over here. Body div tag I page equal to wrap. Okay, not required this. H1 PHP calculate electricity bill. That means on a heading you have given H1 tag, and here in a H1 heading you have passed PHP electricity calculate electricity bill. Okay, then you have opened your form, you create a form over here. So form action is equal to method is equal to post. You have given form action, which is the method, is equal to post. ID is equal to quiz underscore form. ID is given quiz underscore form. Then input type number, whatever you have given in, that it means you have written, yeah, you are giving inserting a text box using input type equal number. Name will be unit, ID is unit over here, placeholder is please enter number of units. That means in a text box you are entering a number which will be available in a units, and you are going to enter a unit over there. Next is input type is equal to submit, and name is equal to unit submit. That means you are creating a submit button over here, and on that text will be displaying as submit value over here, value will be submit. Okay, slash form is completed. Then div tag, inside div tag PHP echo tag is been needed for printing up first function. Then result underscore str. Okay, slash div, then slash body and slash html. This is your output over your PHP calculate electricity bill. Then inside your text box 400 unit has been put in over there and submit has been clicked. So total amount is given is 400 of unit 400 is 1700. Okay, this is your PHP function to calculate calculate electricity bill. This was your practical. Okay, only one practical is remaining with this. Today we have seen a PHP program to calculate electricity bill by accepting the limits. We have accepted the limits over here. For first 100 units 4 we have used, for next 100 units 5 we have used, and for next all units we have used 6. This was the practical of a PHP program. Okay, so students at home study and practice this at your computers if available. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.